Every time you shoot, the keeper goes to the side and it's not fair. I'm easily walking all over him. I'll introduce you, you introduce me, and let's just get it. Hello and welcome guys to Big Boy Games.
A show where we big boys come out here and have a little fun.
Today with me I have Mr. Akshay Mittal, aka Mr. Big Bad Wolf.
And Mr. Rishi Rakshit, aka Bhagwan Ka Farishta.
What? Anyway, so today we are here at Smash to try out some games here.
Yeah, so we're gonna do some go-karting, we're gonna try some bowling, and well, you're gonna watch what's gonna happen. Someone's gonna go down. I'm not gonna say who it is, but you know who it is.
Yeah, it's you. Let's go.
Seconds? Was it? 6 seconds? Was I faster?
Okay, fine, 6 seconds, dude.
I mean, come on, man. You win some, you lose some. You're not gonna like swell up your face now.
Stop gloating. Next time bowling is on. Like I'm winning.
Oh, you're going so down at bowling as well.
So we're
Are you coming up with excuses? You read that? That's your lose. L for loser. All the best. Oh, whoop your ass.
See that? Okay. Now see how Cam's doing. Guess who got a gutter ball?
I'm gonna let Rishi win this one. Just to like kind of keep things interesting.
Not let. I'm easily walking all over him.
You won!
But still! And Rishi Rakshit is at 109. So, it's a very conclusive victory for Rishi.
Yeah. No. I congratulate him. Like, I'm not a bad snake.
Sore loser. Okay, so next up we have both the times your keeper is going on the other side, you're getting a full free advantage.
It sounds like a lot of. It didn't even move.
I was so pissed off at the sound. Dude, your keeper constantly goes to the side. Every time you shoot, the keeper goes to the side and it's not fair. He is too fast! So as you guys can see, we are at the end of our day today and Akshay Mittal is really excited because he thinks he's won. But in actuality, he didn't.
Yeah, you know the reason why Rishi is wearing sunglasses because his eyes are red because he's been weeping like a little. All in all, it was a lot of fun. You know, we had a great time at Smash. All said and done, Smash is a great place to come and compete, test yourselves.
And whoop your friends up!
Yeah, like how I whoop Rishi's.
So if you like this video, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to AskMen India.